The One UI 7 beta is setting a new standard for software updates, and it's something truly exciting to experience. From its silky smooth performance to the refined polish it offers, Samsung seems to be redefining its approach with this release. But the real standout isn't just the impressive features, it's the deliberate and strategic way Samsung is rolling out this update. This time, the schedule has surprised everyone. Unlike previous beta programs like One UI 5 and 6, which launched in August of 2022 and 2023, One UI 7 beta didn't arrive until December. This delay has shifted the entire timeline, with the stable version now anticipated for release in 2025, just after the Galaxy S25 is introduced. Compare that to last year, when One UI 6 was already available for multiple devices by this time, and it's clear that Samsung is taking a very different path with One UI 7. Even with the delay, the beta is nothing short of remarkable. Samsung seems to be taking its time to get everything right, and the results are impressive. In its second beta phase, One UI 7 is running flawlessly on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's smooth, responsive, and stable, with no crashes or glitches to speak of. While some users have reported minor issues, these are far fewer than what we've seen with earlier betas. It's clear Samsung has focused heavily on delivering an experience that feels almost complete, even in these early stages. This slower approach may be intentional. By aligning the full release of One UI 7 with the Galaxy S25's launch, Samsung could make it a key highlight of their next big event. It's a bold strategy, but one that could work in their favor by building anticipation and enhancing the spotlight on their flagship devices. This calculated rollout could help Samsung position the software as more than just an update. It could become a core part of their broader product ecosystem. Another noteworthy aspect of this beta is its exclusivity. Samsung has limited the program to just the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. While some might see this as restrictive, it's likely a decision driven by the need to focus on a smaller pool of devices. By doing this, Samsung can fine-tune the software and ensure a more polished experience for the stable release. It's a move that might disappoint some users, but it reflects their commitment to delivering quality over quantity. Using One UI 7 has been a pleasure. Every interaction feels fluid and refined, from animations to everyday navigation. It's rare to find a beta this stable, and it's exciting to think about what the final version might bring. Samsung has clearly invested a lot into making sure this update meets, and perhaps exceeds, expectations. This update feels like a turning point. It's not just a step forward for Samsung's software, it's a statement about their direction moving forward. By prioritizing stability, user experience, and strategic timing, Samsung is showing that they're not rushing to release updates, but instead focusing on making them truly exceptional. As we look ahead, the question remains, will Samsung deliver the same level of polish across all eligible devices when the stable version arrives? Based on what we've seen so far, there's every reason to be optimistic. One UI 7 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most impressive updates yet, and the future looks bright. Thanks for watching and sharing this journey into One UI 7. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video. Take care and stay curious. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512 gigabytes and 1 TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM in the base model, with a 16 gigabytes RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 gigabytes/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.